Let's solve this problem using subtraction. So the question says, Tim had 25 ice creams. He gave 4 to his friend and ate 3 himself. How many ice creams does Tim have left? So we're going to start off by putting our 25, and then it's really important that we take this 4 and we align it with the 5 and 25, or the ones column. We're going to put a subtraction here. Let's subtract 25 minus 4. So 25 minus 4, we start with the ones column. 5 minus 4 is 1. And this 2 we can bring all the way down to here. So now we have 21 ice creams left. But Tim also ate 3 himself. So we're going to have 21 minus 3. In this case, I can't do 1 minus 3, so I need to borrow from the 2. So this becomes a 1, and this will become 11. 11 minus 3 is 8, and this 1 I can bring all the way down. Now, there was also another way of solving this problem. We could have subtracted all 3 numbers from each other right away. So I could have started off with 25 minus 4 minus 3. You can see here that 5 minus 4 is 1, but that I can't do 1 minus 3. So instead, I need to borrow from the 20, so this would have become a 1, and this would have become a 15. 15 minus 4 is 11, minus 3 is 8, and this 1 would have carried all the way down. And as you can see, doing it in 2 steps, or 1, gives us the same answer of 18 ice creams.